Hello children, I Miss Bijal Panchal welcome you all to your English grammar class. In our last class, we learned about conjunction and, but, or. So today we are going to do grammar exercise page number 67. Fill in the blanks with and, or but. I hope you have done the homework and learned the rules about and, but and or. So let's begin with the sentences. First, she sat at the table, dash wrote the letter, and is joining two sentences. If we read it like she sat at the table, wrote the letter, we cannot understand anything. So we have to put and between. She sat at the table and wrote the letter. Second, you can come to school by bus or by your own car. You have two choices. So we are putting or in between the bus or car. Third, the elephant is big dash the mouse is small. Here you can notice two opposite words, big, small. So what to use? Yes, but. The elephant is big but the mouse is small. Fourth, tigers dash wolves are wild animals. Tigers and wolves. Fifth, you can have this chocolate dash this pen. Here also mother is giving options, chocolate or this pen. You cannot have both. Sixth, we have some milk but no sugar. 7. The car tried the cat tried but could not catch the mouse. Page number 68. D. Fill in the blanks with and, or but. First, Shruti went to the market to buy jam dash butter and jam and butter. She had only 30 rupees with her. In 30 rupees, you can buy only one of them. Do you want jam or butter? Asked the shopkeeper. Dash, Mama needs both, said Shruti. But, sorry, said the shopkeeper. You cannot have both. Second, Ankit is an untidy boy. He plays in the dirty dash makes he dirt and dash makes his clothes dirty. And the answer is and. Ankit is an untidy boy. He plays in the dirt and makes his clothes dirty. One day his mother said to him, "You should keep clean or other children will not play with you." Dash Ankit did not listen to his mother. But Ankit didn't listen to his mother. Now look at the third picture and read. The crow has black feathers and dark, intelligent eyes. The crow is a pretty bird, but nobody likes the crow. The crow is a thief. It steals eggs and even young birds from the nests of other birds. Children, you have to write down this exercise in your English grammar textbook and learn conjunction words rules which I have explained to you. Thank you. That's all for today's class. Goodbye.